It is a Torx screwdriver set by WIHA, perfect for all professionals and hobbyists. The set comes in a convenient and robust carrying box with a foam insert. The core of the set is a torque handle, carefully designed to be kind to hands and muscles. To set a precise torque between 0.8 and 5 Nm, insert a key tool into a handle and twist. To use a screwdriver, insert an included bit holder and secure the bit. The set comes with the following bits: 2 hex, 2 Phillips, 2 Pozidriv and 4 Torx. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME. You need it, we have it.